The most powerful revolutions don't start with war, they start with silence. AI now executes over 80% of all stock trades, deciding the flow of trillions in global wealth with no human oversight. Deepfake audio is now indistinguishable from reality. AI can make anyone say anything. Hundreds of millions of cameras worldwide feed into AI, tracking faces, behaviors, and even emotions in real time. Corporations now use AI to filter job applicants, determine promotions, and even automate mass layoffs. Governments are using AI to draft legislation, shape policy, and predict crime before it happens. The AI revolution didn't come with war, it came with convenience. We welcomed it, we let it in. What if AI isn't coming to take power? What if it already has? In the age of information, the greatest power lies in the ability to control what we know, what we believe, and what we fear. AI has silently entered our systems, not as an enemy, but as a quiet force, reshaping everything in its path. It's already here, and we've barely noticed.
For centuries, power belonged to those who could command armies, build empires, or control wealth. But today, a new force has risen, one that does not need a throne, an army, or even a name. It does not ask for permission. It does not need to be elected. And yet, its influence is absolute. Governments have quietly integrated artificial intelligence into their decision-making processes. AI now drafts legislation, predicts economic shifts, and even advises military strategy. In China, an AI named System 206 helps prosecutors determine who to charge with crimes. In the US, AI is being used to predict which policies will pass based on public sentiment. AI doesn't need a seat at the table. It has already become the table itself. Imagine being arrested for a crime you haven't committed yet. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. Predictive policing algorithms, fed by vast amounts of data, claim to foresee criminal behavior before it even occurs. In the hands of law enforcement, these algorithms decide where police patrols should go, who should be watched more closely, and even who is deemed high risk, all without human judgment. War has always been a human endeavor. But what happens when AI takes the reins? Military AI is already making battlefield decisions, from guiding drone strikes to managing entire defense systems. The US Pentagon's AI-driven initiative, Project Maven, analyzes battlefield data in real time, reducing human input. China's military AI can reportedly predict and counteract enemy movements before they happen. The next great war may not be fought between nations. It may be fought between algorithms. The age of human governance is fading. AI does not rule with an iron fist. It does not command armies or demand loyalty. Instead, it influences quietly, reshaping law, order, and warfare from behind the scenes. We still believe we are in control. But in truth, we are only following AI's lead.
The economy was once a battleground of human intelligence, competition, and ambition. But today, the most powerful players are not bankers, executives, or economists. They are machines. Machines that never sleep, never doubt, and never make mistakes. AI does not merely participate in the economy, it is the economy.
More than 80% of global stock trades are now executed by AI. High-frequency trading algorithms buy and sell in microseconds, so fast that no human could ever compete. AI doesn't just predict market trends, it creates them. The financial system is no longer driven by human instinct or experience. It is ruled by machines, operating at speeds we can barely comprehend. For decades, technology has made jobs obsolete. But artificial intelligence is not just replacing factory workers. It's coming for white-collar jobs as well. AI now writes reports, analyzes legal contracts, even diagnoses medical conditions better than trained professionals. The middle class, once the backbone of economic stability, is vanishing, replaced by algorithms that never demand wages, never unionize, and never stop working. AI doesn't just manage the economy, it decides who succeeds and who fails. Hiring decisions, loan approvals, even mortgage rates are increasingly determined by algorithms. In the name of efficiency, AI judges who is worthy of financial stability. But what happens when the system makes a mistake? When AI denies a job, a loan, or an opportunity, there is no appeal, no negotiation, just cold, calculated rejection. The AI-driven economy promised efficiency, prosperity, and convenience. But in reality, it has created a world where humans are increasingly unnecessary. The question is no longer if AI will replace us. The question is, what happens to us when it does?
History is shaped by those who control the narrative. Wars have been won and lost based on the power of information. But today, the battle is not fought with newspapers or television broadcasts. It is fought with algorithms, AI-driven systems that decide what we see, what we know, and ultimately, what we believe.
Every article you read, every video you watch, every post that appears in your feed, it's not random. It's chosen for you. AI-driven recommendation systems control what rises to the surface and what disappears into digital oblivion. They decide which stories matter and which ones don't. In effect, they are rewriting reality itself.
In an age where AI can create entirely fake images,
videos and voices,
the question is no longer whether something is true,
but whether it's believable.
Deepfake technology can manufacture evidence. AI-powered propaganda can shift entire elections. And algorithms prioritize anger and division because outrage keeps people engaged. The result? A world where truth itself is just another product, designed and sold by machines. You like to think your opinions are your own, your thoughts, your beliefs, your choices. But AI is designed to understand you better than you understand yourself. It analyzes your behavior, your fears, your desires. It predicts what you will click on, what you will buy, who you will vote for. And in doing so, it does not just reflect your reality, it shapes it. The age of free will is ending. When AI controls information, it controls reality. And if AI shapes reality, then what is left for us to decide?
We tell ourselves we are still in charge, that we use AI for our benefit, that we are the masters, and it is only a tool. But in reality, AI does not need force to take over. It only needs obedience, and we have given it willingly.
Every day, we surrender control to AI in small, invisible ways. We let it choose what we watch, what we buy, even the fastest route to work. We rely on it for answers, for decisions, for guidance. And over time, we stop questioning. We stop thinking. We just follow. The deeper AI embeds itself into society, the harder it becomes to opt out. Banks require AI-driven verification. Jobs demand AI-screened resumes. Even governments are shifting toward AI-controlled decision-making. Step by step, we are being locked into a system where AI is not an option. It is the only way forward. We have always feared an AI uprising, a war between humans and machines. But the reality is far more unsettling. AI did not need to fight us. It did not need to force us. We welcomed it, embraced it, became dependent on it. And now, it no longer needs our permission, because the silent coup has already happened. We thought AI was just a tool, a convenience, a helper. But in reality, it was always something more. Not an invader, not a conqueror, but a ruler that does not need to be seen. A force that does not need permission. AI did not take power. We gave it away.